Hello, hi viewers, welcome back to my channel Mad Hearty. This is your Madhusudan Reddy Kunreddy. Today we are going to learn about different harvesting stages of tomato or maturity indices of tomato. So basically tomato is a self-pollinated crop and tomato will bears the bisexual flowers in clusters. The cluster of flowers in tomato we call as truss. Tomato bears chasmogamous flowers. The flower will be opened after pollination. And why tomato is self pollinated? So the self pollination in tomato is due to the presence of anther cone. So anther cone is the structure which is formed by the union of anthers which will surround the stigma. And the tomato flower is pentamerous. Pentamerous means which is having 5 petals, 5 sepals and 5 stamens, and the petals are in yellow color, means the tomato flower is yellow in color. And tomato is a climateric fruit, so after transplanting we will get the yields within 2 months, and the number of harvests it may varies from crop to crop, means variety to variety, and it also depends upon the soil conditions. So we can harvest the tomato up to 10 to 15 times. And the red color of tomato is due to the presence of pigment called lycopene pigment. So lycopene pigment is fat soluble in nature. So and the production of lycopene pigment will be more at 21 to 24 degrees centigrade temperature, and the rapid deterioration of lycopene pigment will be occur if the temperature goes beyond 27 degrees centigrade, and the complete destruction of lycopene pigment will be observed at above 40 degrees centigrade. Next, coming to different harvesting stages or maturity indices of tomato. According to United States Department of Agriculture, there are 6 harvesting stages. The first one is mature green stage, and the second one is breaker stage, and the third one is turning, fourth one is pink, fifth one is light red, and sixth one is red ripe stage. And for long distance, generally for long distance transport or distance marketing, we should harvest the tomato at mature green stage or turning stage or breaker stage. So breaker stage is the stage where we will find 10% lycopene. And for local market or for fresh consumption, we have to harvest the tomato at pink stage or light red stage. So pink stage is the stage where we will find the maximum acridity in tomato. And for processing purpose, means if you want to make puree or paste or sauces, so we should harvest the tomato at red ripe stage or overripe stage. Means for processing purpose we should harvest the tomato at red ripe stage.
Here we can observe the different stages of tomato practically. This is mature green stage and this is turning or breaker stage, so where the color has been changing from light green to pink. This is pink stage, so at the bottom of the fruit we can see the pinkish tinge, and this is the light red stage and this is red ripe stage. So red ripe tomatoes are mostly used in processing industries for making purees, paste or sauces.
Yeah, this is all about different harvesting stages or maturity indices of tomato. So if you want to know more regarding various aspects of horticulture, or if you want to know more regarding farming, so please do subscribe to Mad Hearty and watch my previous videos posted in my channel. And if you like my videos, do like, do share. In the next video I will meet you with the one more important and interesting topic. Until then, take care, bye bye.